In 1971, a 17-year-old girl named Juliane was flying over the Amazon rainforest with her mother. Suddenly, their plane flew into a powerful thunderstorm. Lightning struck the aircraft. The plane broke apart in midair. Juliane was still strapped to her seat as she fell nearly 10,000 feet into the jungle below. Amazingly, she survived the fall. But she was completely alone in the Amazon rainforest. With a broken collarbone and injuries, she walked through the jungle for 11 days, following a small stream. Finally, she found a hut where local fishermen rescued her. Out of 92 people on the plane, Juliane was the only survivor. Her survival remains one of the most unbelievable survival stories in history.